Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a pretty and delicious fresh fruit jello cake. The cake is packed with yummy cream cheese dressing, enclosed with refreshing jello, and topped with delicious fresh fruit. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of other yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. Baking taupaulin paper or mousse acetate sheet are both available in Amazon. Sift cake flour and mix it with salt. Insert butterfly into the Thermomix machine. Alternatively, you can use egg beater. Add eggs, sugar, and vanilla. Beat at 37 degrees Celsius at speed 4 for 5.5 minutes. Repeat for another 5.5 minutes at speed 4. You can set the bowl of eggs on a pot of hot water and beat eggs until fluffy, like this. Add sifted flour and salt from side of bowl and beat at speed 3 for 4 seconds. Or beat at medium speed for a few seconds using the regular electric beater. For either way, gently fold to incorporate the batter. Preheat oven at 375 Fahrenheit. Spray oil to a 6-inch cake pan and line it with parchment paper. Pour batter in. Tap pan on counter to remove air bubbles. Then bake at 355 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Remove cake from oven. Tap cake pan on counter to remove hot air. Let it cool for 5 minutes, then flip it out. Let it cool completely on rack. Cut cake horizontally into 3 slices. The sponge cake should be bouncy like this. Trim off the edge. Prepare frosting now. Mix gelatin with cold water. Place bowl in a pot of steamy water to melt the gelatin. Using a regular beater or Thermomix at speed 3 for 1 minute to beat cream and sugar together until softly whipped like this. Beat cream cheese at speed 4, 37 degrees Celsius for 1 minute until the cheese becomes fluffy like this. Add yogurt, lemon juice and vanilla and beat at speed 6 for 30 seconds or until fluffy like this using an electric beater. Scoop cheese mixture into whipped cream and fold to incorporate. Mix some cheese cream mixture with gelatin water and pour it back into cream to incorporate. Pour cheese cream mixture into a piping bag. Insert taupaulin paper into a 6-inch mousse ring. Cover the bottom and side of mousse ring with plastic and tape to secure. Pipe cream mixture on top and also the side of cake to cover and use a spatula to level it out. Add a layer of fruit like strawberries. Pipe cream to cover. The fruit you're using in this cake should be drier in texture, which has less juice in it. Try to wipe dry the fruit with paper towel before adding to the cake. Add another layer of cake. Pipe cream to cover. Spread out using a spatula or a scraper to level out. Add fruit slices. I'm using mango here. Pipe cream on and spread out. Add top layer of cake. Pipe cream on. Using a spatula to smooth out. Cover with plastic and refrigerate for 3 to 4 hours. Remove the cake from fridge. Remove plastics and run a spatula along the inner wall of cake ring to release the ring. Remove taupaulin paper. You can see the mousse is already set. Arrange and stick fruit on side. Remember to wipe fruit dry with paper towel so it won't add water to melt the cream cheese icing. Fruit on the side should not be too heavy. Decorate the top with fruit as well. Pretty like this. Wrap the side of cake with mousse acetate sheet like this. Tape to secure. Cover the cake with plastic and refrigerate for 1 hour. Prepare the Jello now. Mix gelatin with 350 grams of cold water. Mix well and let it sit for 15 minutes. Add 750 gram hot water at about 65 degrees Celsius. Mix to melt gelatin. Leave lemon juice. Add sugar and the juice into the mixture. Mix well. Sieve liquid through strainer and cool down to room temperature. Remove cake from fridge. Insert acetate sheet into an 8-inch cake ring. Tape to secure. Place the cake onto multi-layers of plastic and place the cake ring surrounding the cake. Wrap cake ring and acetate sheet with the plastic underneath, taped to secure tightly, especially the bottom part, so gelatin water won't leak. Put cake back into fridge for 30 minutes. Spoon gelatin water into the side of cake carefully. Spoon on top to cover fruit as well. Cover and refrigerate for 3 hours. Remove cake from fridge when the gelatin is set. Peel off tape and plastic from ring. Insert a spatula to run through inner edge of ring. Then remove the cake ring. Peel off the acetate sheet. Cake is now ready to serve. Look how pretty it is. Cut a slice out to try. Delicious. The pretty and refreshing fresh fruit Jello cake is now ready to serve. It's perfect for the summer season. Enjoy!